Welcome on a journey into the wild, exploring the hidden paradise of Papua New Guinea's nature park. Join us as we uncover the breathtaking beauty, diverse wildlife, and conservation efforts that make this park a true gem.
As a group, we need to preserve our environment. As an environment and restricted space for forests to be preserved for our next generation. From the view of our young generation, I mean that our breathtaking environment should be preserved, not destroyed.
As our journey through Papua New Guinea's nature park comes to a close, we reflect on the breathtaking beauty and the importance of conservation. Through our exploration, we hope to inspire you to appreciate the wonders of this hidden paradise and to join the efforts in preserving it for future genes. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure in Papua New Guinea's nature park. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and let nature's beauty guide your path.